So there's one king of the hill, that's the captain. So you got 3 captains today. Okay, my name is Kalepa. I'm the captain for La Jolla. Yeah. Kiko's the captain for his canoe. This is gentleman right there. Kiko. Kiko Johnson is the captain for this canoe here. Okay. And then Kaimana is the captain for Mayao. Yeah, the 3rd canoe. Okay. So most important, you guys follow instructions. Yeah. Typically in Hilo, the wind doesn't come up to later on in the day. So there's not going to be much sailing, but what we'll do is we'll get you guys out in the bay, we'll show you guys how to work the sails, yeah, how to work as a team, we'll teach you guys a few seamanship skills, and then... This is our sailing vessel this morning, Penn Hawaii Youth Foundation. Here's our navigator, Kalepa. Good morning. Morning. BJPenn.com, we're taking some kids out, Penn Hawaii Youth Foundation this morning, 2-hull Hawaiian sailing vessel.
I don't want you guys in the... It's that truck all over there.
Okay, so what do you guys think?
I think it's good.
It's awesome fun.
Good. You nervous?
Yeah,
No.
I know.
Been on one before, twice.
I have sunscreen for my babies.
Okay, look alive. Straight line. Side by side, guys.
Straight line.
6, 7,
9, 10,
11.
Fun.
This is 2. Yeah, 2 in here.
You think they'll notice, though? We're using cups that we can reuse instead of plastic throwaway, yeah? The people, the men and women that make this sweet kind of Thai rice, they pick the banana leaves themselves, and they make this twine themselves out of plant fiber, yeah?
Don't stop, keep going. Keep going. Keep coming. Wiggle a little bit side to side and push.
I'm here with Kalepa Babayan, and it's a Polynesian navigator. Just got through taking the kids out, so how'd they do?
Oh, I think the kids did great. I think, you know, being a first time experience for them, you know, it's taking what they learn in a dojo and seeing if they can apply it to a different learning environment. It's learning how to work as a team in an environment that's pretty dynamic and challenging. Weather conditions weren't that conducive for hard sailing, but you know, for being that it's a first time event, that this is the level that it should be starting at in terms of weather and skill and challenges. And so I look forward to when they come back again and we keep on working together. And they did have an opportunity to practice seamanship skills out there, and I could definitely see that by the end of the day, they could coil a rope better and learn how to keep the canoe neat and tidy so that it's not just organized, so that it's safe for everybody on board. So, great time. Look forward to hosting the students from the BJ Penn Foundation here again and working with them. Thank you.